You are going to love the 2018 Chevrolet Trax. The Trax is tiny on the outside, but remarkably spacious within. It comes with clean and modern interiors. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: roof rails, remote engine start, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, power brakes, braking assist, rear view camera, airbags, front knee, audio, internet radio, Pandora. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.